Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy your first Hello World app online through the Google App Engine. Now to do this we're going to have a Google account. You're going to have Python, Java or Go installed onto your machine. Now Go is a very recent language. In 2007 it was developed by Google. So I'm assuming you know Java or Python, and if you have a Unix machine or a Mac or a Linux operating system, so Python and Java will already be installed. So just ensure you have that installed onto your Microsoft machine because they don't have it pre-installed. Now, for the Google App Engine Launcher, that's where you actually deploy your apps online. So you're going to have to go to the Google App Engine website. So to do that, we're going to have to go into the website here, and it's the developers.google.com/app engine, and you just click on this button here, sign up. After you've signed up with your Google account, you can go and download the Google App Engine Launcher. Now, after you download the Google App Engine Launcher, you'll have a desktop icon which will look like this over here. And if you click into that, we can do everything from here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click into this file here, and I'm going to create a new application. You can call it anything. I'll just call it first Hello World Google App. And I'm just going to pick any directory. I'm just going to put on the desktop. And here's the port I'm going to host it. I'm going to host it on port 8083 because I'm using something on port 80, 81, 82. So I'm going to host it on 83, so because that's a free port. And I'm going to create that. Now after I've done that, I will have a folder over here which was created. I'll click into that, and inside this folder you have various descriptors like over here. You can see it's an app. This is the actual description of the application, the name of it, what language it's used in, which in my case is Python, and the Web App 2 framework which I'm using to develop the app. Now what I'm interested in here is the main method, which will import the Web App 2 framework, and I'm going to use the request handler to output some data onto the browser from the Web App 2 framework, which is the Hello World, which you can see right over here to write it down. Now after you've saved that, the main, you can go back into your Google App Engine Launcher and you can run it. Now we need to wait for this icon here to turn green, and that's fantastic. We're good to go. And what we need to do now is we need to just check our local host. So we're going to go localhost semicolon 8083 because that's the port I was using, if you remember. And great, we have Hello World popping up on our screen here. So now to deploy that online, we're going to have to go onto the onto your applications page after you sign up. So what you need to do is you go to appengine.google.com, and here's all your applications. Now what you need to do is you need to create a new application with the same name as your application over here. So it's first Hello World Google App, GA for short. So I'm just going to say first Hello World GA. And now we need to check the availability, so you have to be careful over here. So it's available, that's great. So we're just going to say Hello World App as the name of the application. And we're going to go to create it. Now that's fantastic. This is the confirmation page here, and we're all good to go to deploy our application online. And we need to also check that our application descriptor has the same name. That's fantastic. We're all good to go. So now we can just highlight the application and simply click deploy and enter your credentials over here in the box that pops up. And we wait for it to upload, which is what it's doing here. It's deploying the app online. It may take a few minutes, but this file is small, so it won't take too long. Now that's fantastic. It's ready to go and it's deployed. So what we need to do now is we need to go and check our actual application if it's online, if our Hello World is online. So we go to the AppSpot domain. So it's first Hello World ga.appspot.com, and that's here.